Jenny. I work for Eden Rivers Trust. Eden is the unique network of rivers, becks and lakes that are essential to the lifeblood of the area. All of us in the Eden catchment have an impact on the river, and we can all play a role in caring for it. River pollution and mismanagement can damage the river and its wildlife for decades. We need you to act for Eden by creating and presenting your own scrap motion movie. We want you to inspire others to think about the river and to take action in caring for it. And we've asked a couple of experts to help us get started.
Hi, I'm Josh.
And I'm Jane. We're going to help you make, write and animate your scrap motion movie.
In each video, we'll focus on creating a different part of the story, so that by the end, you'll have your own amazing Act for Eden movie. In this video, we'll show you how to make a mini-me, an animated version of yourself, using scrap materials and stop-motion photography.
That way, you can become a river champion in your Act for Eden movie.
Ready?
Let's go.
The first thing we need to do is make our mini-me river champions. We're going to craft each feature separately so we can animate the face later on. So now it's time to get animated. Stop motion animation is a filmmaking technique that makes inanimate objects appear to move on their own. Think Wallace and Gromit or Charlie and Lola. To make my movie, I'm going to use a really useful app called Stop Motion Studio, which you can download on your phone or on your tablet for free.
done! You've created your river champion for your Act for Eden movie. Now you need to give them a voice and think about what they're going to say. You can give them a voice by using speech bubbles or by recording yourself. If you're not sure what to say, try reading the following short script to get you started.
Hello, I'm Josh. Welcome to Act for Eden, a scrap motion movie that takes a closer look at the River Eden and the role we can play in caring for it.